Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video of Yummy Bakes. Today I'll be sharing a simple and easy breakfast recipe. We are gonna prepare Spanish omelette. As usual, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's prepare. We need 1 onion sliced and diced, 3 potatoes peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. To begin making the Spanish omelette, first heat 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil in a small non-stick omelette pan. Add the potatoes and onion and saute till the potatoes are just cooked. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Sprinkle some salt to taste. Now add 2 sausages cut in small pieces, 2 green chilies chopped and 2 or 3 tablespoons coriander leaves and saute well. Then add half teaspoon oregano powder, half teaspoon whole black peppercorns crushed and keep on sauteing. Crack 4 large eggs in a small bowl and sprinkle some salt. Whisk thoroughly until fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon whole black peppercorns crushed. Add the fried potatoes to the eggs and mix again. Keep 1 tablespoon of oil in the omelette pan and drain the rest. Now pour the egg potato mixture to the pan, cover and cook on low heat till the bottom is slightly browned and the top is no longer jiggly. You can add some mozzarella cheese in the center if you want and cover it up with the remaining egg mixture. Loosen the bottom of the omelette using a flat spatula to release the edges. Place a flat large plate over the pan and carefully slide the omelette onto it. Slide the omelette back onto the pan, uncooked side down this time. Cook till the eggs are done on either sides. And there we go, the Spanish omelette is ready. As usual, do try this at your home and comment down below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out any new videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.